Hey bro, there's a reason some people can't make money, no matter how hard they work. And it's not their job, it's not their effort. It's something deeper that almost nobody talks about. Once you see it, you won't be able to go back to thinking the same way again. Because the reason you're not making more money has nothing to do with how hard you're working. It's deeper than that.
Most people believe something that sounds logical, but is completely false. They believe work harder means earn more. But let me ask you something. Who works harder? A construction worker breaking concrete under the sun? Or a celebrity getting paid millions to perform on stage? Exactly. So clearly, hard work is not the variable. The real problem is this. You've been trained to look at money the wrong way your entire life. School didn't teach you how money works. Your environment didn't teach you how money works. So what did you learn?
You learn to trade time for money. And that's the slowest, most limited way to ever build wealth. Because time runs out, effort burns out, and no matter how hard you push, you hit a ceiling. So what actually controls your income, your paradigm, your internal programming, the way you see the world, the way you think, and what you believe is realistic? That's what's running everything.
Your paradigm controls how you use your time, how creative you are, what opportunities you even notice, and ultimately, how much money you allow yourself to earn. Here's the part most people don't want to hear. You are already getting exactly what you're in alignment with. Your current income, that's not random. That's a reflection, a mirror of your internal frequency. And I know that's uncomfortable, but it's also powerful because if it's coming from you, you can change it. Think of it like this. Everything operates on frequency. Your thoughts, your emotions, your identity. That's the signal you're sending out. And money, opportunities, they respond to that signal. So if internally you're thinking, I hope this works, I'm not sure, or this might fail, that's the frequency you're broadcasting. And reality matches it every time. There's actually a law behind how money works. It's simple. You earn money based on three things: the demand for what you do, how good you are at it, and how replaceable you are. That's it.
Not how tired you are, not how long you worked, not how stressed you feel. So the goal isn't to work harder. It's to become more valuable, to think differently, to see differently, to operate from a higher level. Because the moment your identity shifts, your actions change, your decisions change, your results change. So here's what I want you to understand. You don't need another strategy. You don't need another technique. You don't need to try harder. You need to change the way you see yourself. Because once that changes, money doesn't become something you chase. It becomes something you attract. And when that happens, everything you thought was hard becomes normal.